Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Universal English Learners.
Yes, welcome back. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we have a really fun lesson for you.
We do. Today we are learning a very common English phrase. People use it every single day.
That's right. And by the end of this video, you will understand it, you will remember it, and you will be able to use it yourself.
So, let's slow down, take a breath, and get started.
Let's go. Today's phrase.
Okay, Jamie. Today's phrase is break the ice.
Break the ice. Let's say that together, everyone. Repeat after me. Break the ice.
One more time. Break the ice.
Good. Now, Alex, what does this mean? Because it's not really about breaking real ice, right?
No, not real ice. This is an idiom. An idiom is a phrase that has a special meaning. It's different from the normal meaning of the words.
So, what does break the ice really mean?
It means to say or do something to make people feel comfortable, especially when people meet for the first time.
Ah, I see. So, imagine a room. Everyone is quiet. Everyone is a little nervous, maybe shy.
Yes, exactly. That quiet, nervous feeling. We can call that ice. It feels cold. It feels stiff.
And when someone tells a joke or asks a friendly question, that person is breaking the ice.
Yes, they are making the room warmer, more relaxed, more friendly.
I love that picture. Ice becoming warm.
Let's hear some example sentences. Listen carefully.
Example 1. He told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting.
Let's say it slowly. He told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting.
Example 2. She asked me a simple question to break the ice.
She asked me a simple question to break the ice.
Example 3. It was hard to break the ice on the first day of class.
It was hard to break the ice on the first day of class.
Very good. Notice something, everyone. We often use break the ice with the word to break the ice.
That's right. It usually explains why someone did something. He smiled to break the ice. She waved to break the ice.
Great pattern to remember.
Short story. The bus stop.
Now, let's hear a short story. This will help the phrase stay in your memory.
Yes, listen slowly. Picture the scene in your mind.
Now, let's hear a short story. This will help the phrase stay in your memory.
Yes, listen slowly. Picture the scene in your mind.
It was a cold morning. Maria stood at the bus stop. She did not know anyone there.
Next to her stood a man. He was also waiting. Nobody spoke. It was quiet, a little awkward.
Maria looked at the sky. Gray clouds, cold wind. She felt nervous.
Then the man smiled. He said, "This weather is crazy, right? Yesterday it was warm, and today so cold."
Maria laughed a little. I know. I wore the wrong jacket today, she said.
And just like that, the ice was broken.
They started talking about the weather, about the bus being late, about their day.
By the time the bus arrived, they were talking like old friends.
All because one small joke broke the ice.
That's the power of this phrase, everyone. One small comment can change a quiet, awkward moment into a warm, friendly one.
So remember, next time you meet someone new and it feels a little quiet, you can break the ice.
Grammar moment.
Let's take a quick grammar moment. Break the ice is a phrase, but the word break changes depending on time, past, present, and future.
Present. I break the ice by smiling.
Past. I broke the ice yesterday.
Future. I will break the ice tomorrow.
So remember, break, broke, will break. The phrase stays the same, but the verb changes.
Good reminder for everyone practicing their tenses.
Now, let's test what you learned. Answer in your head or say it out loud.
Question 1. What does break the ice mean? A. To break something cold. B. To make people feel comfortable. C. To feel nervous.
The answer is B. To make people feel comfortable.
Question 2. In our story, how did the man break the ice?
That's right. He made a joke about the weather.
Question 3. True or false? Break the ice is only used when meeting someone for the first time.
This is false. We can also use it in any quiet or awkward moment, not only first meetings.
Great job, everyone. You did wonderful.
That's it for today's lesson, everyone.
We learned a new idiom, break the ice, through examples, a short story, and grammar practice.
Try using it this week. Maybe when you meet someone new, you can break the ice.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own sentence using break the ice.
We'd love to hear it.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care.